Hello, and I hope you're having a great day. Today I am making a fresh homemade salsa. I picked a ton of tomatoes, and if you look, predominantly cherry tomatoes. So this is going to be a cherry tomato salsa. So I have a pound of tomatoes. This is 3/4 of a medium-sized onion, half of a larger bell pepper, 2 garlic cloves, and about 1/4 cup of cilantro. And I did include the top part of the stems, but I cut off the bottom where it gets really hard. I don't have a lime, so I'm using the juice of a lemon. I might go a little bit shy of the whole lemon. I have half a teaspoon of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, which I've never included before, so we'll see how that goes. And then about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar just to balance out the acidity. I'm going to dump all of this in here. Go ahead and, whoops, include that. Should be as simple as just pulsing it. Let's see. It's been a long time since I've made salsa. Going to add the lemon juice, pulse it again a tiny bit, and then taste it. I can tell this is very runny. If you do want your salsa to be a little bit less runny, you can just simply put it through a sieve, or because it's so chunky, like a really fine colander. All right, for me, this needs a touch more salt. And I am going to use more lemon juice because these tomatoes are actually pretty sweet. And there we have it. The salsa, take that out. I don't feel like pulsing it more just to get him mixed. But if you look, it's a beautifully chunky, vibrant salsa. It has a nice balance of flavor. And it's really as simple as that. It's a great way to get some fresh vegetables into the kids. They'll eat salsa all day, every day. And I'm making tacos later, so this will actually go perfectly with that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.